What am I preparing for? I'm going to participate in Hosey annual grabbing pato event. You'll see me show off my skills later. Okay, I'm here. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this helmet. Because I've heard that the competition has been so fierce in past years, so I have to be prepared to take the pato. The Singtang grabbing pato event is scheduled to be held on the 20th day of the first month of the lunar calendar, every year at the Singtang village, and has always been a spectacular event. This activity has a history of more than 800 years, while pray for blessings and wish the villagers a year of good weather. Hey guys, listen to me. The event is about to start. I try my best to get the pato to exchange for prizes. Wait and see. With the sound of a gong, the activity of grabbing the pato officially began. Villagers who grabbed it will go to the ancestor hall to receive the corresponding gift, which symbolize peace and prosperity, happiness and contentment throughout the year. 我全能。
去年是我，今年又是我，这是我的奖品。
He's so lucky. I'm so jealous. I hope next year, guys, I will see you here and you also win something. 哇，谢谢谢谢。